Madam.
Sabinus, I know they say credit today.
There shouldn't be no credit today. Every time, no credit.
I say I know they say credit. Hey, Sabinus, you don't hear say they don't release those boys.
Which boys?
Those boys when kill 3 people.
Those boys will kill 3 people. Just because I said they greet the people don't reply the greeting. How they go release those kind of people for area now?
Once it is 5:30, I don't close.
5:30 don't close.
No
wonder area just quiet. They don't come.
Customer!
Well done, no, bros. Good day.
This man!
Madam, how they be?
Welcome, oh.
Give my senior man food.
Give them rice.
Your usual.
Yes.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Madam, you can't add speed and velocity for this your business.
Thank you.
No, for senior man.
Senior man. Hallelujah.
Hey, madam.
I want the smell like suck away so.
Oh my God.
Okay, now you carry this kind of matter to the worker for Nigeria. Say they buy credit, you know me say I don't get solution. Okay? You don't see bad breath spray by a camera. Now that be the best now. Who be say if you just use them like this, spray inside your mouth, you go kiss some kind of yama smell where they carry worker. You go hold this one now.
So, madam, I just no be COVID now, smoke.
You dey smoke. You supposed to take anti-smoke by a camera now. With anti-smoke by a camera, it go help you clean your lungs. Now good herbal cleanser be this so.
I just randomly they carry all these things around.
Yes, sir.
Sabinus, you know something, no?
What you don't do, you don't find where.
Sabinus, I tell you, say na 5:30.
Yeah!
Boss, good afternoon. How's the family, boss?
Your family go know how far now.
Oh.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.